Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. We have more Christmas Happy Meal from my dear crafty friend Cornflower Crafts. This time it's for my daughter Emmy. Oh my gosh, there she is. So go ahead, Ems.
Okay, first I'm gonna open this off camera.
What do we have?
Little rabbits.
Oh, they're bunnies.
So cute.
Here's scissors, Ems, if you want it. And I think there might be another note there.
Oh,
What's
this
it
is so
say?
cute. It has nice little pink distressing.
I love it. It says Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Corn.
So go ahead, Ems. This is your package. Do you want the scissors?
Oh,
Cut
that's
it
so
in the
cute. I
back.
love the scallop.
Isn't that nice?
And it says let it snow.
Do you want
on
to
the
cut
thing.
this, honey?
Okay.
Just trim that and it'll be easier for you. There you go. And maybe go on this side.
Yeah.
Have you guys
No.
finished your Christmas shopping? I think we're done.
Basically.
Yeah, basically done. Just a few more for a few more friends and family. Oh my gosh, what did Corn get
don't wanna
you?
rip it.
It's
It's so
okay. It's like
nice.
Christmas.
Oh dear.
But she said she spotted this. Oh
No
my god.
way. Oh my goodness. That's so cute.
That is
Look
adorable.
at these dogs.
You want to open the
Little
kit?
Schnauzer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it up. All
Oh my
right.
God.
Let me move these away.
Oh my gosh.
This is too cute. You're gonna have to
Got our
teach
little
me, Ems.
manual. Yeah, I will. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
gosh. So many different designs.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the pug. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's so cute. I like the little.
Oh, there's
my
your
gosh.
schnauzer. You're gonna try and make
Scottish
that?
Terrier.
I
Yes.
think that is so cute. But what's underneath?
And then there's a little crochet. Wait, what is this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, a little crochet hook.
Awesome.
And then-
Is there something in there? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And you have the stuffing
and it
and
has
everything.
the little plastic eyes.
Yeah.
And it really is everything we need to make a
Yeah.
little.
And then you can just look through your stash for whatever yarn you have in
Yeah.
making. That is
so
amazing,
sweet.
Corn. Let me just show them again this beautiful kit.
And it comes with 10 patterns too.
That's really cool. Amazing.
Thank you so much, Corn.
Thank you so much, Corn. But we wanted to open just one more. We got a Happy Mail again from Corn. I think this might be a Christmas card. So let me go ahead and open this one here. Beautiful Merry Christmas sticker there. We are filming a little later in the day and it's been raining. So here it is. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? Again, we got the layers of paper. This reminds me so much of the journal that I won recently from her channel. So if you want to see the flip through, I'll link it at the end. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I love snowmen. Let's open it up and see. Oh my gosh, there's some goodies in here. Thank you so much, Corin. Just wanted to show you guys there's a little tuck spot here. She used some of the dice cuts and created that spot. So let's put that beautiful card right here. And in addition, she's shared some of these, oh my gosh, snow globe stickers. Is there two? Oh, that's really cute. Look at that. I can put that for my page layouts in my December daily. Sleigh bells ring.
That's so cute.
That cover that cute poodle. And then we have some paper. Christmas Eve in our village. That is pretty awesome. Wouldn't that be fun to add to another page? So there you have it, guys. Again, from me and Emma Corn. Thank you very much for this wonderful gifts.
Bye. Thank you so much.
We'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.